Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I got a package from Cstoys International. This is where I got my VS changer from Lupinranger Vs Patoranger. I apologize for the lighting and the background because this is not where I usually do my review or unboxing video. So I am filming this at night, that's why the lighting is a little weird and a little shadowy. So I just want this unboxing video to come out as soon as possible that way. So let's get started. Alright, let's unbox this. So I did got this at Cstoys Japan. I did pre-order this. This is the Patoranger version, the VS Changer Patoranger version. Because when I pre-ordered, the Lupinranger version was sold out. So I got Patoranger version instead. So since I got the Patoranger version, I got the Lupinranger vehicle right here, sold just separately. So yeah. That works. Alright. As you can see, the box is pretty big. It knocked down my review unboxing station, but I guess that's the fun of it, right? When you open boxes, everything get knocked down. I do have like limited space here, so bear with me. Put some tape off. I don't know why this is so hard to do. Alright, I got one side. And get to the other side. Alright, finally. So this is what in the box so far. Newspaper. A lot of newspaper. Alright, this is what we're here for. The VS changer. So there is the VS changer and the usual Cstoys thank you note. So let's unwrap this really quick. Very secure. Okay, I give up with the reverse station. It just got knocked down again. By the way, I'm using like my shelf because this is where I have lighting. That's the only light I have. And there's the Go Buster or Power Ranger Beast Morpher coming up this season. Right. Let me cut this open because it's not opening. I don't know why I'm having a hard time. Alright, about time. Right here's the thank you note. As usual, the Lupin Red and my receipt. And Cstoys does have, I did got this as a promotion item. It's like a toy catalog. Very nice. I love this. And then it comes with a pop-out card, which I'm not gonna do. Here's a QR code if you guys want it or need it. You guys scan that. Pause the video to scan that. Since I live in the US, I can't even use it, but the Good Striker. Here's a brief look at it. I'll go over this in depth in my Patoranger the VS Changer review. So this is what it looked like. I really love the box artwork. Sorry about the glare. Here, Pet Kaiser. Here, Good Striker. The Lupinranger, Pet Striker, or Pet Kaiser, Patoren Kaiser, I think. The Patoranger on the side. Again, I'll go over in depth in the review, and I'm going to display mine like that. Very lovely. Alright, so I'll do an overview of what I got. So I got the poster, my receipt, and the thank you note. Alright, so this is what I got from the unboxing, or from Cstoys International. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to comment and subscribe for more video. Remember to hit that bell icon in order for you to be notified for future video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more Transformer, Nerf, Voltron, and Power Ranger content. Power Rider 98 signing out.